So today I'm going to show you how to check battery health of your laptop. For this you need to open your command prompt. So go and search for CMD and enter. Here in the command prompt type in power cfg slash battery report and press enter. Then it gives you the path where the HTML file of your battery report has been saved. So copy this path Control C and go to your file explorer or this PC, and here at the top paste the path with Control V and press enter. Here is your battery report. Here it shows your laptop and battery model, and this is what we are looking for, the capacity. So open calculator and divide the full charge capacity by the design capacity of your battery. Now multiply it with 100 to get the percentage, and this is your battery health. For me it is 31.8%. Now you can close it all.